I'm not teaching AI today, a sandwich is. That's right, I'm going to teach you about artificial intelligence using the power of a sandwich. Are you ready? Let's take a look at the first AI question. Which AI branch is focused on creating new content? Is it A, deep learning? Is it going to be machine learning? Is it going to be artificial intelligence or generative AI? What do you think? It's D, generative AI, and here's why. Think of artificial intelligence as the whole sandwich. This big guy's goal is to satisfy your hunger, and AI's big goal is to solve complex problems and do things that normally require human intelligence. It's the big picture, bringing all the ingredients together into one tasty solution. Now, machine learning is like the bread holding everything together. You need it to give structure to the sandwich, just like ML is going to provide the foundation for AI by learning from data. This is how machines learn and adapt, like a self-driving car or your social media feed. You can choose different kinds of bread, like your sourdough or rye, just like ML can use different techniques like supervised or unsupervised learning. Remember this one, it'll come up later. Now, deep learning, that's like the juicy, delicious filling inside the sandwich. Your veggies, meats, cheeses, all that good stuff. This is going to give the sandwich more depth, just like deep learning brings more advanced capabilities to the AI. This is deep in the sandwich, and it's deep in AI, simulating the way our brains work with neural networks. Finally, we've got generative AI, the secret sauce. It adds that unique, creative touch, something unexpected and delightful. It takes a sandwich to the next level, and it's also a big leap forward in AI systems. Now they can create new content like text, pictures, or music. If you mix up a sauce each time you make a sandwich, it's never going to be 100% the same each time. The flavors always be just slightly different. Generative AI is the same way. It will always give a slightly different response or creation. Bonus, this principle is called non-determinism. Remember that one for later. Now, I'm going to go make a sandwich. Stay tuned for the next lesson.